In this video, we'll show you what a month, week, and day in the life is like on the We the PCOS nutrition and training program. The difference between our program and others is our laser focus on nutrition, exercise, and accountability for fat loss with PCOS. We're not here to sell you supplements or take the place of your doctor. We're here to help you eat, exercise, and stay accountable for yourself for results that last. The top tools of our program are our PCOS-friendly recipe library of low GI foods, our 12 monthly training programs, the We the PCOS app tracker for exercise, nutrition, and measurements, and our accountability forms, tips, and tricks. So here's a snapshot on the We the PCOS nutrition and training program. At the start of every month, subscribers to the We the PCOS nutrition and training membership receive a monthly workout program. That's 5 new daily workouts every single month, every month of the year on the We the PCOS app. You'll perform each 5-day workout routine for 1 month. Then just when you start to get a little too used to it, it's time to start a new month with a brand new workout plan to challenge your body. And with new PCOS-friendly recipes added weekly, you'll always have fresh low GI meal choices. At the start of every week, it's time to do menu planning. And with our We the PCOS nutrition and training monthly subscription, you have access to our private, curated PCOS-friendly recipe library. With new recipes added every week, you get your own personal account in the recipe library, where you can bookmark recipes for quick access. You can search the library by ingredient or recipe type, and even print. Each recipe comes with clear ingredients, instructions, nutrition information, and helpful cooking tips. You can adjust each recipe's ingredients for the number of servings you want to make. Meal planning is easy with our daily menu planning template. Just write or type in the foods you want to eat each day or each week, their calories and protein, then tally it up. If your calories and protein fall within our recommended ranges, it's time to cook. Some ladies like to cook every day. Others don't have time, so they cook in bulk every 3 to 4 days, whatever works best for you. At the start of every day, you'll eat half your planned breakfast, then head off to the gym. At the gym, you'll open the We the PCOS app and start your assigned workout for the day. Every exercise in each workout comes with a video demonstration of each movement, plus a detailed written description, and alternate exercises in case you don't have a specific machine at your gym. Tap in how much weight you use for each movement and how many reps you were able to complete. Tick off each exercise as you go until you finish the workout. At We the PCOS, our training style is progressive overload, which means you gradually increase your weight in your strength training routine so that the last few repetitions are hard to achieve. This challenges your body and allows your musculoskeletal system to get stronger. Consistent challenge also helps to avoid plateauing, which is when your body adapts to the type of exercise you're doing. Progressive overload aids in building lean muscle mass and helps reduce visceral fat. It's also said to improve hyperandrogenism, reproductive function, and body composition in women with PCOS. So we lift heavy and we push ourselves. Once your workout's done, it's time to eat the other half of your breakfast. A good low GI carbohydrate and protein mix helps to nourish your muscles when they need it most, and also to lower your cortisol. Throughout the day, you'll eat the PCOS-friendly meals you prepared. At the end of every day, you'll log your food in the We the PCOS app. All We the PCOS recipes are already pre-programmed into the app for simple one-tap tracking. All you have to enter is how many servings. In addition to all We the PCOS recipes, you can search and find almost any standard food in the nutrition tracker. Keep track of your calories and protein as you go to ensure you're getting enough protein and eating at our recommended calorie deficit. At the end of every week, it's time to weigh in. Take your measurements and upload progress pictures. In the We the PCOS app, you'll tap in all your measurements, your fat and muscle percentages, and your vital statistics like heart rate if you wish. As the weeks go by, you'll be able to compare your measurements and track your progress. Log into the app on your desktop to see larger graphs of your progress. At the end of every week, you'll also fill out the We the PCOS accountability form so you can reflect on your nutrition and training performance for the week. You'll consider if you did your best, if life got in the way, and if you could do anything better the next week. At the end of every month, you'll fill in a monthly accountability report. This is for your benefit, so you can recognize any obstacles that may be holding you back, or so you can see where your strengths lie. Half the problem with PCOS is that when ladies don't see progress, they aren't sure why. If you're tracking your behavior and staying accountable, it's often possible to see what's going on. But if you're staying true to the program, training hard, and eating according to our meal plan and guidelines with low GI foods, you will see results. So that's how our We the PCOS monthly nutrition and training program works. Naturally, the plan is flexible, so you can work out at the time that works best for you and cook as you go or batch cook. It's a lifestyle, so naturally, it has to fit your life. Living with PCOS is hard, but you are stronger than you think. So in review, when you sign up for the We the PCOS monthly nutrition and training program, you get our top tools that include our PCOS-friendly recipe library of low GI foods, 12 monthly training programs, our We the PCOS app tracker for exercise, nutrition, and your measurements, plus accountability forms, tips, and tricks. You can achieve your most audacious goals